guess 50s and 60s. It's burned down once, so it's been rebuilt. Probably better. Thanks. Let's start that again. Take two. We're going to Old Tucson today. It's take three. That's me. Okay, we're going to Old Tucson today to see what's going on there. They're supposed to have like gunfights and stuff. It used to be an old movie theater a long time ago. I think in the 40s and 50s they filmed a lot of cowboy movies and TV shows there. It burnt down quite a few years ago, but they've built it all back. It's probably even better than it was. So we're going to go down there and check it out as Down the Road We Go. $90.02. It's $2.97 with my discount.
Turn left on East Travel Plaza Way.
Okay. We ready? Onward, down the road.
How many miles we go?
I have no clue. How many miles are we doing?
1,600. It's up today.
Okay, we made it out to Old Tucson, which is an old recording studio. They burnt down once, but they built it all back. So let's go check it out. Cool place. Been here before, but when we were here last time, it's burnt down since then, so they rebuilt it. It's a lot different than it was when we were here last time.
Yeah.
They've added a lot to it. Oh, that must be where they have the stunt show and stuff. Benson. Keep coming this way. going to have a show at 12:30, so we hopefully make it there. Hang in a gunfight, supposedly. Hopefully no ricochets.
You don't want me in your picture.
Oh, you just broke the camera.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, sitting down again, waiting for the shopping experience to end. Luckily, there's always a place to shop. Keeps everybody busy till the next show. But this is, again, we're still in Old Tucson Studios. Pretty slick. Having a good time. It's a little expensive to get in here, but it's not bad. You get a train ride and a ride on a stagecoach and that sort of stuff if you want. So, and a bunch of gunfights and hangings. We're waiting for the hanging, aren't we? It's supposed to happen about a half an hour, so we have a half an hour to kill. Well, there's a mean hombre right there. Walking too slow. Wonder what they have in here.
James Devlin, you have been found guilty by a jury of your peers and sentenced to hang by the neck until you are dead. Devlin, I want you to know I'm sorry. Sorry.
Drop that gun, Alex! Yes, Sheriff. I'll surrender. I'll surrender your court. Get out of here! Soledad, get over here! Miss
That's a relief.
About time.
Yeah.
Finally caught her. Look at the size of that. That's a lot of aloe vera.